Hi. If you're interested in robotics and like to make stuff, then you must have heard of Arduino microcontroller boards. So, what is an Arduino, and what can you use it for? Arduino is an open-source family of microcontroller boards, based on easy-to-use hardware and software. There are many types of boards in this family. Each has its own features. But the Arduino Uno is the most popular board because it is inexpensive and good enough for most of the projects. You can use Arduino to control a lot of stuff. You can turn on a lamp, or turn it off. You can also control your motor to run clockwise, or counterclockwise, and even control its speed. You can read temperature and display its value on an LCD screen, or measure any distance using an ultrasonic sensor. Most importantly, you don't have to be an expert in robotics to start building your own robot, or doing some amazing projects with Arduino. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next video.